Welcome to Cloisters Chicago, a student home that's the perfect blend of modernity and rustic chic. Choose from stylish en-suites and opulent non-en-suites decked with premium hardwood floors, a dining area, an eat-in kitchen so you can enjoy delicious meals with friends, and loads of storage with walk-in closets. Warm up and enjoy a gripping novel by the fireplace or lounge about in the sunroom. Tackle heaps of clothes with the on-site laundry center. Your wheels have a home too, with parking available. Skip tiresome stairs, there is an elevator as well. With 24-hour front desk, on-site management, and concierge services, your needs are catered to at all hours. Here's the best part. The University of Chicago is just a stroll away, while Illinois College of Optometry is a short drive away, so your timely arrival to class is inevitable. Plus, Woodlawn and 58th Street, as well as 59th Street and Kimbark bus stops are a couple minutes away, so explorations around the city are seamless. So, grab your spot at Cloisters Chicago now with amberstudent.com.